It's time for day number 3 of our Advent mini quilt sew along. These are patterns and templates from Carolina Moore. And the day 3, ooh, it's a tiny little triangle. Let me take the paper off, and we have a little 3-inch equilateral triangle to work with today. And we are making, again, a 2-tone triangle, but the way she has it pictured, there's actually going to be 4 fabrics. So let's dive in. Okay, with my little 3-inch template, I am going to use my original inspiration fabric with a light background and this fun red snowflake with a darker background. And these prints are going to be framed in there. I think that'll just be a fun combination. So of these most bright fabrics here, I can lay this up, and we've got a visible mark for the seam line there, so that makes it really nice for fussy cutting. I can make sure that I get a snowflake centered right in that triangle as best I can. So I am going to cut like that, and then there I've got my 2 main triangles. Set those aside for a sec. For our background pieces, we need 3. So I'm going to layer that. And I will be able to cut, whoops. I wasn't able to see that and get it lined up the way I wanted to. So I'm going to cut my darker fabric first. And that gives me 2 that I need. And then I have just enough here to cut the 3rd piece. So that is one background. And then from the other one, let's see, I like to keep my smaller width. You can see there's a little bit of overhang there between the strip. I didn't cut it exactly even, but I can get what I need out of that. Not too worried about staying on the grain line there. With little templates, these rotating mats work beautifully. Okay, and then we're going to sew in we're sewing in rows, so I'm going to sew the dark brown with the red and then the light with the green. Here is the final block for day 3. And we are ready to put it on the wall.
Are you looking for more holiday crafts with fabric scraps? Check out this video next. I'll see you back here tomorrow for the next block in our Advent mini quilt. See you soon.